Hello everyone, I welcome you to the urban farms. Here we are going to milk a cow. How can you milk a cow without machines? Manual milking. Thank you. As you're watching, look how it's done. First of all, you have to restrain the animal in order so that it does not pour the milk you're milking, or it does not keep the milking cans. Thank you. Let's restrain the animal first. You restrain it by tying the hind legs, the behind legs. Restrain it very well. After restraining the animal, you get the clean water. You wash the teats. Wash the teats so that you remove every dirt. Remember, urban animals, they sleep poorly. Watch the housing. They put down where they sleep, so they end up dirtying the teats. But at first, you clean them first. Clean that udder as well, so that you produce clean milk without dung, without fur. Grooming can also be done. Grooming can also be done as well, but you have to ensure that you produce clean milk for sale, because urban farmers produce for the market and to sustain their families. Cleaning the udder very well. Clean it very well to ensure clean production of milk. Ensure production of clean milk. As I told you, you can utilize a small space to do any type of farming you wish, or you've ever dreamt about. Here we are doing dairy production. We're dealing in milk production. It's a dairy animal for milk production. It's a cross. It's 80% Frisian. It gives good milk. And with animals, here you have to deal with the health. You have to deal with the feeding management, health management, and daily routines like cleaning, doing the cleaning. You have to put a good drainage. Drainage should be good, where the urine goes, where you collect dungs from. The management should be good. You have to provide water. You have to provide water for drinking. You provide feeds, different feeds. Rationing of the feeds should also be done. Then with this cleaning of the teats, it also stimulates the milk let down. As you see the pressure, this is milk. It's done. The milk let down is done, stimulated. The teats are stimulated. The glands are ready now to produce the milk. With animals, dairy animals, have to deal with the feeding. Feeding should be good as well. Formulate it. You can decide to feed them on pastures, grasses, and some supplements and additives like maize bland, cotton cake, seed cake, what. As you're going to see in our feeding trough, we have some different feeds. We have grass and we have maize bland, we have maize bran. We have different feeds here. You can feed the animal as well. You can feed on maize bran, feed on grass for the betterment of its health and improved milk production. This improves milk production. You bring the clean can, well dried. You dry the teats well. Then you start the process of milking. After smearing some tabs, after smearing some other jelly, and the jelly should be bought from trustworthy centers, ovate centers. Not every jelly is used in milking. Be blessed as you're seeing me milking. The animal gives good quality milk because of the good feeding. The butter quantity is well proportioned. Everything is well proportioned due to the good feeding, care and health. Good management, daily routine like feeding, provision of water, cleaning of the house, spraying. You have to spray the animal to kill the ectoparasite for in intervals. It can be after 1 week, every week, every 2 days. It depends on the output you get, because when it gives you a good output, here you can practice different things. You can decide to say, I'll be spraying my animals, controlling the tick for after 2 days. You get, due to the output you get from the animal, because this gives 8 liters a day. Times in morning you can get 4 liters, evening 4 liters. The production varies due to the feeding, as well as, in towns the animals mainly feed on pastures bought on the way. Animals feed on maize bland, banana peelings from the restaurants, from the homesteads. You can get feeds anywhere. You can take your sack to the market centers. And those people that do sell foods like matoke, then you collect the peelings. You can go buy some grasses as well. If you have some extra land, you can plant your pastures. You can plant like elephant grass. You can plant lab, different pastures. Then saps can be bought from industries. For example, the maize grain, the maize bran broken, those ones can be brought from the maize meal for the betterment of the animal and improved milk production. Then with milk processing, how can an urban farmer process milk, produce good milk? Good milk starts with you. You have to be a smart farmer first of all, because you're providing things for a public. You have to produce good milk. You have to be smart. After milking should be sieved. Remove some fat in case there is some fat. After milking, you can even boil it to keep some germs before serving them or distributing it to different customers. Here with milk, you can be with your customers because no additional water. Now milk, we produce quality milk from this quality cow because it's mainly for milk. As you see the breed, as I told you, it's a cross, but at 80% exotic. It gives a lot of milk. It gives off a lot of milk. Milk has to be handled well. Storage should be well. Packaging, the vessels, the utensils, what or that is used in milk should be clean. Thank you.